Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? So it's a really shock news for all of you, my brothers. To Vechain will fails down from last 7 days, and absolutely, my friend, the change occur will be very bad now. So you can see, my friend, this time the change occur last 7 days, so minus 6.15%. The price is decreased now, and change occur last 24 hours minus 3.78% decrease now, and change occur last 1 hour is going to be positive now. So what's the price prediction? What's the technical analysis? Everything I will do in this video. But kindly, holders, you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos and notification. So thank you so much everyone who's subscribing our YouTube channel now. My brother, this time Vechain, one of the fastest coin in the crypto market, but the current condition is going to be very bad now, and units time on the price has come down 0.1 USD. So it's meanwhile to this time Vechain is completely in the losing now, and absolutely, my friend, I've predicted this coin, so you better understand, my brothers, to upcoming time can there is a chance they will wake up and they will give you a profit or not, my brother. So let's see. But kindly, holder, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. So my friends, Vechain will fails down, especially from last 1 week, my friend, and there is a one big reason, my friends. You can see the chart result. So this chart is completely showing, my brothers, to last days this coin is very badly fast down. So this is last days result, my brother. And if you know, my brothers, to in upcoming time the future is going to be bright now of Vechain, because my friends, this time Vechain is going to be negative in a crypto market. So I hope, my friends, in upcoming time they will give you a good profit now, but let's see to what they do. But kindly, holder, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.